Welcome to Teller Hosting. Create an FTP account but in DirectAdmin. An FTP account allows you to upload, download and manage files using FTP clients like FileZilla. It's a fast and convenient way to access your website files without logging into your control panel every time. In this video, I'll show you how to create an FTP account in DirectAdmin. Simple and beginner friendly. First, log into your DirectAdmin control panel on Teller Hosting using your login details. Once you're on the DirectAdmin dashboard, locate the Account Manager section and click on FTP Management. Next, click on Create FTP Account. Enter a username for the FTP account. Now, create a strong password for the FTP account or use the password generator to ensure better security. After that, select or enter the directory the FTP account can access. Once everything is set, click Create to finish. DirectAdmin will now create the FTP account and display the login credentials needed to connect using an FTP client. And that's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in DirectAdmin. In the FTP management section, you can modify the account's password or directory access, delete the account if no longer needed. You can also suspend or unsuspend the account for temporary restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need Teller Hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with Teller Hosting. See you in the next video.